Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday. I know it's really late, but I'm getting this up on a Wednesday here in Wisconsin. I know it's probably Thursday in other parts of the world, but I got some yarn here. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on over here at YARNutopia. Excuse the hair. I was sweating like all day. Nasser had a doctor appointment today. He is doing so well. He started walking yesterday. I put it on my Snapchat and oh my goodness, it was amazing. He took 5 steps on my Snapchat, and then today at the doctor, he literally walked across the whole clinic room. I was so surprised. I was freaking out. I was so happy. He's growing and he's doing so well. He's in the 97th percentile. This baby is big. So I am so excited about his growth and just how he is excelling. He's so awesome. Right now he is playing with toys in the other room. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and say hi. What are you working on? Are you pulling out your super fancy yarn? I hope so, because this weekend is the Good Intentions weekend event. It's all weekend long, and we are going to be crocheting something super fancy with our fancy yarn. I will not have the tutorial up because, as you know, with the whole quarantining, social distancing, my father and I have not been able to film tutorials, but I am saving this pattern that I will be sharing. I'll share the pattern and everything that I'm working on, but I won't be able to do a video tutorial, and I'll save it until another day when we can film it. And then I'll get the video tutorial up at a later date. But this weekend, I don't have the project here, but I'll be working on it and sharing it with you guys in the event only. Okay, so if you're not in the event on Facebook, the Good Intentions event, I'll put the link in the description of this video, wherever it is. Join the event and you'll see the new project. I am going to be using Leon Alexander yarns. Here is the information. Leon Alexander yarns, and I'm going to be using the color Sunday Morning, but this color here is called Diva. Oh my gosh. Okay, so last Wednesday when I talked about them, they actually sent me some Diva yarn because I loved it so much. So yeah, this is the Diva color I mentioned last week. It is so bright and purple. I'm thinking of making a vest out of this or something summery, like lacy top. I don't know yet. If you have ideas for what to make with this super fancy bright purple black mixture color, tell me what you think I should make. I could make a top out of this though. I think it's so pretty, and it's a merino nylon wool merino nylon blend, and it's a double knitting weight, so it will work up really fast and really nice, and I just love this color. And all their yarns are so incredibly bright. And I have good news for my YARNutopians. Woo woo! You guys get a discount. You guys get a discount. What? Yeah. So if you use YARNutopia as your discount code, I'll spell it out for you in the description of this video so you don't misspell YARNutopia. Put it in the discount code option when you're checking out at Leon Alexander Yarns, and you'll get a fat discount because you're watching my video, because I sent you. Yay! Thank you, Leon Alexander Yarns. You guys are so wonderful. And yeah, Logan is the person who I was dealing with. He is so fabulous, and he dyed my yarns, and we were chatting on Instagram last week, and shout out to Logan. He's so fabulous for sending this to me and for giving you guys the discount code. That's so awesome. Go shop their yarn. I can't seriously rave about them enough. They are so fun to work with, and I can't wait to share with you the crochet project I'm working on using that Sunday Morning yarn. It is bright orange. There's a white and green and pink in there, and just like so like bright and fabulous like this. But you'll see that this weekend if you join my event on Facebook, the Good Intentions event. The link is in the description of this video. If you're watching on Facebook or YouTube, check it out and go there and join us for a fun-filled weekend. I'll go live on Sunday. I'll release this pattern on Saturday. I'm gonna sneeze. Just give me a second. Excuse me. I'm just so excited for this event, and I'm so glad so many of you are joining in on the fun. And Nasser's doing well. The weather today was amazing. We have a little kid pool in the backyard, and Nasser was swimming around in there. I'm gonna sneeze again. Excuse me, sorry. Allergies are on high right now because the pollen is really crazy right now here in Wisconsin. So as you can see, my allergies are coming back. Anyway, yeah, we had a fun-filled day out in the sun, and Nasser's doctor appointment went great, and this weekend's event is going to be fabulous. So I hope to see you all there. And if you're not there, don't worry, the crochet pattern that I'm going to release will be available soon. I just have to film the tutorial with my dad. We're gonna try to safely social distance and film something soon, so stay tuned for that. Let's see here. Last week I shared the ombre striped baby blanket. That was fun also. And oh, this past, what was it, yesterday, May 19th, was World IBD Day. I really appreciate everybody sharing my post yesterday about World IBD Day. It's just something that I feel the need to spread awareness for, and this disease does not define me, but it definitely is something that I've had to go through, and it was difficult at many times and many surgeries, and I couldn't have gotten through it without my family or my friends. And now I'm gonna get all teary-eyed because it was a long journey, and just having Nasser come into the mix has been so amazing, and my life has really turned around, and I'm doing much better now. I did end up in the hospital recently due to pain and possibly a hernia, but I shared that yesterday as well. But I'm fine, and I can prolong having another surgery in the future, long down the road. I don't need surgery immediately right now, but it's just something I have to deal with. You know, Crohn's is a vicious beast, and I really do appreciate, though, a lot of you reaching out to me and writing to me, commenting, messaging me. Sorry, I got a little emotional there, but your messages, just hearing what you all had, some of you had to go through personally, or your family members or friends that you know who have ulcerative colitis or Crohn's or any sort of inflammatory bowel disease, is just, yeah, it was really eye-opening. And also I was able to just share that with everybody yesterday. So I really appreciate you all, like, reaching out to me though and letting me know. And anyway, I just wanted to share that. And if you haven't read my post, go check it out. I will put the link in the description of this video so you can see it. But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and say hi to everybody, and just a quick check-in. But I gotta go feed Nasser some dinner. And yeah, we are going to enjoy the rest of the week. Is gonna be sunny and nice over here. It's Memorial Day weekend over here. We're gonna try to grill out and have fun in the sun, in the pool. Nasser loves his little kid pool. It's so wonderful. So I hope you all have a great and safe Memorial Day weekend, and I'll see you next week. Happy hooking!